explorers. Today, we're going on a mini space adventure to meet the moon. Let's discover 5 fun facts about this magical space rock and how you can watch it at night. Let's go. Did you know? The moon is not a planet. It's called a satellite because it goes around the Earth. Our very own space buddy. Look closely. The moon has craters. Deep spots caused by space rocks crashing into it long ago. They make it look bumpy and unique. The moon can be many shapes. Sometimes it's a thin crescent, sometimes a half circle, and sometimes a big, glowing full moon. These are called its phases, and they happen every month. Did you know the moon can move oceans? Its gravity pulls on Earth's water, making tides rise and fall every day. Thanks, moon. Best of all, you can watch the moon tonight. Just step outside when it's dark, look up, and spot which phase it's in. You can even use a telescope or binoculars for an even closer view. Wow! Thanks for joining this space adventure. The universe is full of amazing sights, and the moon is one of the best. Stay curious, keep looking up, and we will see you next time.